cables on these don't look too hot. You can see a lot of tallow built up on them, which will affect traction. You see all the tallow built up on these shifts. That one's really probably got the best access for us. So look at car 1. Really noisy. We got some tallow on this, but not as bad as car 2, which is what we were looking at. But same setup, except this is the only elevator that comes down to the very bottom landing, which you can see. Basement underground postal door. But let's go take a look at the other cars here. There's our entrance for car 2. Car 3, our controller. Everything's the same setup here. A braking system with the springs on the end. Cables aren't looking so great on that one either. Take a look in the pit here. Same thing, Whisper Flex. Let's see, I saw it on the inside of the cables, but these ones have rouge. These cables are due for replacement.